Our CytoFLEX platform is renowned for its exceptional sensitivity. A testimony to this is that we have more than 10,000 flow cytometers and sorters installed worldwide.
What I love most about the CytoFLEX is its remarkable sensitivity that allows for reliable detection of low population or low abundance markers, which is critical for generating reliable data. And the flexibility that avalanche photodiode detectors provide is particularly important. The extended linearity range allows very weak and very bright signal to be detected simultaneously using standard power lasers.
Today, we are extending those capabilities to the spectral world and enabling our current and future user with the most advanced CytoFLEX today. I'm thrilled to introduce you today to the next step in the evolution of our CytoFLEX platform, the CytoFLEX Mosaic spectral detection module.
The CytoFLEX Mosaic is designed with the user in mind. Like other CytoFLEX family members, it simplifies flow cytometry, and in this case, the transition to spectral for both existing and new users. Coming from a background in managing a core facility, I find one of the strongest aspects of the CytoFLEX Mosaic module to be the CytExpert software. With the same base software, transitioning from a conventional flow cytometer to spectral becomes seamless for CytoFLEX users. There's no need to learn new software or switch instruments. Simply open the correct software for the spectral module, ensure your cables are connected, and you're ready to go in no time.
For me, it's all about how you set up the unmixing experiment with all the controls and marker assignments. It's quicker, it's simpler, and more intuitive than any other software I have been using. Being familiar with CytoFLEX and spectral flow cytometry, I was able to start using Mosaic module immediately.
I have been using spectral flow cytometry for 2 years to increase the number of detectable markers in T and B cell lymphocyte in different settings, such as lung or skin cancer. The CytoFLEX Mosaic spectral module is so easy to use. Being familiar with the CytoFLEX software, within 2 hours you are ready to use the spectral mode with Mosaic. CytoExpert for Spectral retained the familiar, intuitive interface of traditional CytoExpert software while significantly expanding its functionality.
How can we future-proof CytoFLEX and ensure our users can continue using the software they love and trust to get best-of-class results? We listened to our customers and understood that there is still a need for both conventional and spectral technologies. Spectral technology is complex and not always necessary for every experiment. We asked ourselves, why should switching technologies mean replacing your entire instrument? It shouldn't be that cumbersome. How can we future-proof CytoFLEX and ensure our users can continue using the software they love and trust to get best-of-class results? The CytoFLEX Mosaic detection module provides a unique ability to switch between conventional and spectral modes, accommodating experimental workflow from the simplest to the most advanced, all with a future-proof approach.
My experience with the CytoFLEX Mosaic has been incredibly smooth so far. It's been very easy to set up and use, and having tested the instrument in both conventional and spectral mode, I can say that the startup of the instrument is exactly the same for a regular CytoFLEX as it is for a CytoFLEX with the Mosaic module attached. I found the software very easy to learn. I didn't have extensive experience with the CytoFLEX before using the Mosaic, but I was able to start my first experiments within a few hours. In no time, I was able to separate and detect all the markers I needed with confidence. I've run samples stained with highly similar dyes such as Alexa 647 and APC, FITSI and BB515, and these are fluorochromes that normally cannot be separated on a conventional instrument, but they unmix very well on the Mosaic. In addition, I tested a combination of BV421 and Superbright 436, which don't even unmix well on some spectral cytometers, but again, they unmix perfectly fine on the Mosaic.
Additionally, CytoExpert for Spectral stands out as one of the fastest and most user-friendly options available. It's benchmark in the field, balancing simplicity, functionality, and performance. The software also offers flexibility in spectral unmixing, allowing users to choose between different algorithms to cater to a variety of research needs.
CytExpert Spectral software offers 2 different algorithms, LSM, and a new Poisson hybrid that has shown to reduce signal spreading, enhancing data quality. An automatic unmixing check of all the plot combination will be generated to show if there is any issue and pointing out exactly where to aid you with your experimental troubleshooting. Having conventional and spectral flow cytometry so close to one another is also crucial when transitioning to the new technology, allowing you to adopt a new analysis tool with the same ease of use only the CytoFLEX platform can give you.
Plus, there are great features that help you visualize and understand the quality of your data. After unmixing, you can see all colors overlaid in one graph along with the complexity matrix.
And there are the unmixing checks. I find this a crucial advance in CytoFLEX Mosaic because it automatically indicates if your results are properly unmixed. You'll know if your single color controls are correctly unmixed, and if there is an issue with your antibody panel results, it's likely due to unmixing, but another step in your staining preparation. With complex, high-dimensional panels, having reliable data is paramount, and these checks provide assurance and maintain experiment quality.
As a CytoFLEX user, the ability to switch between spectral and conventional flow cytometry on the same instrument is a game changer. It means more versatility in the experimental design, as having the ability to perform both spectral and conventional cytometry on a single device eliminates the need for multiple instruments and gives me the capacity to adapt the experiment to the needed complexity.
When we set out to design our first spectral solutions, sustainability was one of the main guiding principles. Our answer is a unique modular solution that enables the lab to have the best of both technologies without complicating or limiting their capabilities. The CytoFLEX Mosaic detection module provides the unique ability to switch between conventional and spectral modes, accommodating experimental workflows from the simplest to the most advanced, all with a future-proof approach.
I find the possibility to run some panels in spectral and conventional modes quite useful, as I still have some users that prefer conventional cytometry. So now I can actually run their panel in conventional mode, then switch to spectral mode in a few minutes and see which one performs best. Another thing that I find very appealing is how easy it is to perform autofluorescence extraction on the instrument. I have users with highly autofluorescent and complex tissue samples, and for them, adding multiple autofluorescent signatures is critical to get an optimal unmixing.
My research centers around T-cell and B-cell biology, so having the capability to do high-dimensional flow cytometry is very important. Spectral cytometry is particularly advantageous for resolving fluorochromes with significant emission overlap and for reducing the effect of spillover spreading, improving data accuracy in multiplex experiments. However, simple experiments can still benefit from the simple workflow typical of the conventional mode.
With ever-increasing experimental complexity, spectral flow cytometry lets you explore and expand in the pathways you are investigating. The collection of the full spectral combined with an advanced unmixing algorithm will make your high-complexity data easy to analyze. The concept of modularity will allow to have both a true conventional and spectral instrument in one. This will help for crossover study or for panels that you are growing in complexity. But how can you ensure that your data is accurate? Well, the CytoFLEX Mosaic detection module has several advantages that help you check your data quality. From the capacity to choose the complexity you need and customizable unmixing option, the CytoFLEX Mosaic is your path to elevating and adapting your conventional flow cytometry panels into the spectral domain. CytoFLEX Mosaic spectral detection module is available in two configurations: Mosaic 63, compatible with CytoFLEX S for lasers, and Mosaic 88, compatible with your CytoFLEX LX. This way, you can choose the module that best fits your need and your resources, making Spectral more accessible. We are entering a new era of flexibility and precision in spectral flow cytometry.
I am thrilled about this next stage for Beckman Coulter Life Sciences. I'm personally excited to empower researchers worldwide with the flexibility and ease of use that our CytoFLEX instrument now offers for spectral experiments.